Hi guys, we are here at the Mercure Tokyo Haneda Airport for one night before our flight out of Japan tomorrow. And I wanted to show you around our room. This is a superior room with one king bed and a shower booth. So let me show you around. Love the vibe of this hotel, dark and moody. 508 is our room number. So when you first walk in, we have here our full-size mirror, and let me show you into the bathroom. Bathroom has a sliding door out here, as well as a toilet with bidet, sink, glasses, and here is a blow dryer. Down there is extra toilet paper, hand soap and body lotion. And then here we have a whole box of goodies that I love. Razors, and you can get this in most hotels in Japan. Razors, toothbrush, shower cap, comb, vanity kit, which I think is like Q-tips and little cotton rounds, shoe mint, toothpaste. And if your hotel does not have it, you can always ask for it. And then on this side here, we have our shower. And we do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And we have on this side a little coat rack, as well as a drawer with pajamas, and then slippers at the bottom if you would like to use them. Then when you slide over this closet here, you have a full size on this side. Since these aren't very deep, they hang this way. A luggage rack and a flat screen TV. And again, this is a king bed room. Let me go through over here. You have some complimentary waters, tissues. Here you have some cups and mugs, and this is a pour over coffee. You put it into the cup and then pour the hot water in. As well as tea, sugar, creamer. And then on this side is where you have your hot water kettle, so you can use it for the tea and the coffee. Just a regular mini fridge, nothing inside. And down here, you have your safe. We have our humidifier here. A few of the hotels in Japan that I've been to have this. A little seating area with a table. Here we have some chargers, USB-C, as well as plugs next to your night table. And then this side as well you can charge on. So that's it for this room. If you guys have any questions, please be sure to comment below. Give the video a like, and if you don't mind subscribing to my channel, it would help me out, and we'll give you more travel content in the future. Thanks. Bye.